guys, welcome back to my channel. Jumping right into this cleaning motivation video. I am going to be vacuuming the carpet in my bedroom because I will be cleaning the carpet in here shortly. You guys, today is going to be a simple, easy, sweet motivation cleaning video. I am just going to be vacuuming and cleaning the carpet in my bedroom and speed cleaning my kitchen before I make dinner. So I hope you guys enjoy the motivation and enjoy my video, and happy Sunday. Carpet cleaner that I'm using to clean my carpet is a Bissell carpet cleaner. I purchased this carpet cleaner from Walmart. Thank you to all my returning subscribers and my new ones. And if you just clicked on this video, I hope you like my content so far and that you will subscribe. I'm happy that all of you came back, and I'm glad that you are here. Hey girl, hey, happy Friday. You guys see, we jumped right into Friday, honey. I'm just gonna go ahead and tackle this kitchen before I make dinner because I cannot cook dinner in a messy space, okay? And if you notice, the kitchen looks a little bit different. If you are familiar with my channel, I ordered a bunch of things from IKEA, and we're trying to decorate this apartment, y'all, and make it feel a little bit more homey. So the spring clean video will have all of these things in it, the spring clean part 2, that is. I'm just waiting for a couple more things to come in before I put out that video. But I'm going to go ahead and wash these dishes and put them in the dishwasher to dry. Here I'm making bleach water to clean the kitchen counters, the sinks, and the kitchen cabinets, pretty much everything. You guys know me, I love bleach and water to clean with. I'm just gonna put it in this Method spray bottle because I like the way that the nozzle sprays out on this bottle. I had this bottle for years, y'all. And it is my go-to spray bottle to use. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to cleaning this countertop over here. This is usually where I plate the kids' food. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down really good over here, move on to the stove, and just put everything back in its proper place.
Give me that good loving. Come on and show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you try to fight, just come on and give me that good loving. Give me that.
Be preparing dinner. Now I do already have rice in the rice cooker, but I wanted to add this into the video. FYI, I did wash my hands off camera before I started back recording, so you guys don't have to worry like, oh my god, she did not wash her hands. I did wash my hands. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the rice in cold water. The rice that I am using is jasmine rice. We absolutely love this rice in this house. I'm just gonna give this rice a good rinse in cold water until the water isn't cloudy anymore.
Cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss you.
Having barbecue meatballs, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get that pot going. So I'm going to sweep the floors, wipe down the chairs, and then I will be mopping this area and sweeping the rest of the floor.
Move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight it, just come
going to be wiping down my son's desk, my desk, and the kitchen table. Now, this is how I usually have the kitchen table placed when we're not in here eating, but I just put it that way for the video.
First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that, show.
I'm gonna add barbecue sauce to the meatballs and start plating the kids' plates.
Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you.
As you guys seen, we had a simple dinner tonight. Meatballs over rice and spinach. I hope this motivated you to get up and clean. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Stay blessed.